Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix this app can't run on your PC in Windows 11 10 8 7 problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Make sure you have installed correct app or program depend upon your PC system type. To check it, go to Windows search bar, type about your PC, click and open it, check your system type. If it shows 64-bit, then download 64-bit. If it shows 32-bit, download 32-bit. Method 2. Go to Windows search bar, type user account control, click and open it, set it on recommended option, click on OK. Restart your computer. Go to Windows search bar again, type local security policy, click and open it, expand local policies, click on security option, search for user account control admin approval, click and enable it, click on apply, click on OK. Search for user account control allow UIA access applications, click and enable it, click on apply, click on OK. Click on user account control run all administrator, click and enable it, click on apply, click on OK. Restart your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching.